Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to create a table of contents. A table of contents helps your reader easily navigate through large documents and find exactly what they are looking for. So before we continue, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos whenever I drop them. So before we dive into how to create one, let's quickly discuss why having a table of contents is essential. If you're writing reports or any structured document, a table of contents saves time for your readers by giving them an overview of your content. So a table of content works in documents like reports, books, user guides, and so on. So now, since we know what a table of content is, let's dive into our Microsoft Word and learn how to create one. So once you're in your Microsoft Word, what you need to do is you have to format your headings, your titles that you want to appear in the table of contents to a given format using the given styles that are inbuilt in the Microsoft Word. So I already have my document here, which is already typed, which I'm going to be using for this video. So we just have to highlight and then highlight the headings or the titles that really want to appear in our table. So now once we are done with setting that, we can go ahead and then we insert our table of contents. But before doing that, let's give our insert page numbers in our documents. So I'm gonna select this format here. It's the one I've chosen. So go ahead and close my header and footer. So as you can see, all my pages are now having page numbers. So once we are done with inserting the page numbers, make sure that our cursor is on top where we want our table of content to be inserted. So when you're done with that, you just go and click on the reference tab and then you look for our table of content is, which is at the left hand side. So just come and click on it and then you see a drop down with very many options here, built-in styles of the table of contents. So you can also choose to create your custom table of contents. So I'm going to be using this built-in on the first one. Then once you click on it, you can see that our table of content has been inserted, and then everything it's there. Like when you see the headings that we have selected, you can see that the first one, it's really on the first page, so you can navigate through, see that they're really matching. So just know that when you say you want to read springs, about springs, you have to go to first page. And if you want to solve coplanar forces system, that one still, you know that it's on the second page. So it really makes things easy for you as a reader, that you don't have to hustle scrolling through documents. So you can also do a lot with table of contents. You can update the table of content. You can decide to update page numbers only, or the entire document in case of any addition in the document. So that is it, guys, for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, like, share, and comment for any questions and suggestions for future tutorial videos. So thank you for watching.